Hello, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance, and we're going to do a bloom. As you can see, they haven't been quite working out the way I wanted, but I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to use a yellow, which is Amsterdam Azo Deep Yellow, and I'm going to use Pretty Quin Rose. And instead of the lavender that I was using, okay, let's go with, let me use a purple. This is Violet, Golden's Violet Dark. I was using the light lavender and I don't know, it just wasn't quite working for me. I'm not gonna put too much of this on. Maybe I'll put just a dot of the lavender on top. There we go, bullseye. All right, let's try this out. Okay, there we go. Cell Activator Oxide Black. And I'm gonna use my mini blower this time. Vibrant. Let's see if I can coax any of that black to just spread out a little more. Okay, let me wait a sec for that. It's not really center. Yeah, that wasn't my best blowout for sure. But let's see what we can do with it, huh? We can always try. That's kind of strange. There we go. Okay. Okay. It's looking good. I like to try to kind of bring some of that color in the middle out. Whenever there's an area of this just like one color, I try to do something with it. Add a curlicue or something. just to kind of break it up. Okay, it's still not center. Sometimes you have to wait for the very middle. You don't want to put a wet painted finger in it. Sits for a little bit because you want the whole painting to move as one, and if you try to move it too fast, the middle just stays there. So let me wait a second. Now it's moving as one. Bubbles to pop. Just lightly touch and then wipe your skewer. All right, that's good enough for me. Oh, no. I see it. Now, when your painting is all dry, and if you have a lot of white dots that you don't like, you can use, they're called Super Tips by Crayola markers. And they got lots of different colors, and you can match your colors. There we go. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. All right, let me slowly spin this out. See if it's on the, you want to check your spinner, see if it's on. Now I do want white space. I don't want it to all come off, so we'll see how we do here. Well, come on, Lucy, a little more than that. Let me check and see how much paint is in the middle. Not much at all. You know, this right here I don't think belongs there. Whoops. All right. Well, that's pretty. Those are pretty colors. Very. If I would have had a bigger canvas, see, it's hard to do them on a small canvas. You always put too much paint. You gotta go small, but if I had a bigger canvas, I could stretch it out more, but I'm liking this. I'll do this color palette again. Maybe on a bigger canvas. Okay. I'll get you down for a closer look.